Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2 lecture number 2 means part 2 of video of chapter 9 keeping our neighborhood clean. Now in last videos I had taught you about the clean and green neighborhood. Just take a short look. Now before starting that, it's just a request to please stay at home, don't go outside. You can enjoy like playing the ludos and these all things. You can you can attend your online classes also, and once the online class will over, you go through the chapter and you can read the book, you can write so that your handwriting will improve, and you can learn also so that you will become much better, and you can complete also the homework whatever you received on the online classes. And please eat healthy, and whenever you are just going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, don't and wash it with Dettol and sanitizer, and please stay at home. So let's start the chapter that we will see that what we have learned in lecture number 2. So keeping our neighborhood clean, and I have explained that what is neighborhood. Neighborhood is what means. What is the meaning of neighborhood? So neighborhood means what? The area near our house. The area near our house is called a neighborhood. Is called our neighborhood. In fact, a clean neighbor, if the neighborhood is what? If the neighborhood clean, it makes us feel happy and proud. It makes us feel happy and feel proud also. So that's why always we should keep our neighborhood clean. In fact, we enjoy the peace also. We enjoy the peace and cleanliness of a good neighborhood. Now one topic is there, a clean and green neighborhood. So we should always keep our neighborhood so that it makes us feel what? It makes us feel proud and it makes us feel happy. And greenery means what? We should always grow a plant so that it makes what? Greenery, and we feel very happy, and it gives us what? Clean environment. Some people is what nowadays also some people what they are just throwing the garbage outside their house on the street, outside their homes on the streets, and we all know that it's not the right things to do, that we can collect the garbage and then we can go outside our house and we can throw on the streets. It can make the area very bad, and the germs will also increase. So we should not always do that things. So that what we should always collect the garbage. We should always collect the rubbish and the garbage in the dustbins, and give the rubbish to the garbage collector. To give away that rubbish to the garbage collector. So you can see the picture, page number 47, that rubbish should always be given to the garbage collector. So whatever the rubbish we are just collecting in our house, so that always that we should give that rubbish to whom? To the garbage collector, because Swachh Abhiyan is there. We should always greenery, should clean our areas, so that what they are coming and they are just every morning the garbage collector are coming, so that we should always give that garbage collector to the garbage collector. Did you know is there? You can see that what is written in did you know? In some cities in India, some cities, if we throw garbage on the roads, yes, like in some cities are there that if we can throw any garbage on the road, like Bihar, it's normal that people are throwing and they are just enjoying, but in India, some cities are there, if we can throw the garbage like plastics, like the wrapper, and if we can chew anything and we are throwing, so that we have to pay a fine. For that, what we have to do? We have to pay a fine. It's like a crime that we are doing. So that if we can throw garbage on the road, then we have to pay a fine to the government as a punishment. We have to what? We have to pay a fine, means some monies are there, so we have to pay the fine to the government, and it's just like a punishment, so that from the next time we can be careful in that cities, that we should not throw any garbage on the roads. If we can throw the garbage on the roads, then we maybe got the punishments and we have to pay the fine. So it's better that we can keep the garbage, that it should be in the dustbin. Next is what? We should keep our neighborhood green. We should always keep our neighborhood greenery, means always should keep our areas, neighborhood clean, and not harm the plants growing there, and which the plants are growing, that we should not harm that growing plant also. We should not harm the growing plant also, because green land, if green plants are there, then they makes our environment clean, and it gives us clean and fresh air. So we should keep our neighborhood always green, and we should not harm the plants which the plant is growing. We should not pluck flower in the garden. Yes, we should not pluck suppose flower is there in tree, and we should not pluck that flower in the garden also, because flower, it looks good and pretty in the garden. We should not pluck them, so that we should what? We should not pluck the flowers. We should not walk over plants. So if plants is there, then we should not spoil that plants, and we should not walk over that plant also, because plants makes what? Plants makes our neighborhood clean, and it gives us fresh air, and so that we can take a fresh air and can make the area environment greenery also. We should try not to cut trees. Yes, we should not try to cut any trees. We should plant more trees in our neighborhood, and we should always what? We should always grow plant in our neighborhoods. So we should not cut any trees, and we should make what? We should plant more trees in our neighborhood, so that it can make the neighborhood clean, and it looks beautiful, and it makes and it looks greenery also. It is our duty to look after our neighborhood, and it's our duty, the people who lives on that area, it's that their duty, that they can look that their neighbors, that their neighborhood is what? Their neighborhood clean, or it's greenery or not. So it's our duty that we should look our neighborhood. Now your chapter has completed, and till chapter 8, if you have written in your fair copy, then if you have the book, then please write down chapter 9, 48 new words. 3 new words are there: rubbish, bin, and garbage collector. Please write down it in your copy, because till chapter 8 you have completed, and if you have written in copy, then you can just put the date, chapter 9, and the chapter name, keeping our neighborhood clean, and then you can write down the new words, and true false are there. Just take a short look at what is there. We do not need to keep our neighborhood clean. It's a false. We should throw rubbish on the road. False. We should throw rubbish in the bins. It's true. Right, T. We should keep our neighborhood clean and green. Yes, it's a true. We should destroy plants growing in the park. No, so it's a false. Next, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. A neighborhood dash be kept clean and green. A neighborhood should be clean and green. We dash throw garbage outside our homes. We should not throw garbage outside our homes. We dash harms plants growing in the park. We should not harm any plant which is growing in the neighborhood. We dash pluck flowers in the park. We should not pluck flowers in the park. Dash plants more trees in our neighborhood. We should plant more trees in our neighborhood. Now again I will back to teach you in next class, the next chapter. Till that, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.